So let's discuss the project. Let us say that this entire sheet is your poster board. The idea behind the project is you can either divide it horizontally or you can divide it vertically. Okay, either way, does not matter. So let's just say that I divide it up like this. Over here are going to be my 8 definitions, and over here are going to be my 8 applications. So with that, pretty easy since there are 8. One easy way to do it is just divide it into 8 sections. Okay, but if you'll notice, if I divide it like this, they're kind of long and skinny, which that might not work out best for you. But anyway, so if you divided it like that, it's a little bit different. So if you're going to, I don't know, construct, all of these are just about constructions. So if you are interested in like a little bitty illustration like this is an illustration of a rectangle. This is not a constructed rectangle. So let me show you what a constructed rectangle might be. There are plenty of videos on Edmodo, so it might be something like this. So here is a line, then you have a point, you have to have equidistance from there, and then poof, and you connect those. Now this is not going to be freehand for you. You're going to use a compass and a straight edge, but that gives you a right angle. And then you come over here with your compass and you straight edge, and you wind up doing the same exact thing. Again, the videos on how to do this exactly are online. Just kind of giving you the idea. So that's a right angle. And then to do a triangle, you're just going to do one more right angle. So there we are, and then there we are. And that connection right there would give you 4 right angles. Might be a good idea to shade those in if you want to. But this entire drawing right here, this entire construction has to fit inside this box for a rectangle. So you're going to have it might be a little bit smaller, but you're going to have all of these drawings like this and there, and all of that information that I just showed you is going to be here. So you'll have this and this and this and this, and then da 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 da. But also on your definition side, on your definition side for a rectangle, you will also write a rectangle is a parallelogram or quadrilateral with 4 right angles. There's the definition of that. Okay. And then, over on the application side, you're going to take all 8 of these applications here, and you're going to draw them. Now, I understand you have to draw a rectangle that is not a rhombus. Well, so all you're expected to do is draw a rectangle. So yeah, so for this first box right here, again, you're just going to draw another rectangle. So construct a rectangle, by the way. So da 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 da. You'll have all of that done, and you'll have your rectangle constructed again. Yay! But then the difference between this construction and the previous is you have to explain why it is a rectangle and also why it is not a rhombus. So it is a rectangle because it has all 4 right angles, but it is not a rhombus because the sides are not necessarily congruent. So then that's the explanation, and this entire poster board will be filled with the equivalent of 8 over here, 8 over here, 16 drawings, and that is what the project is about.